Hello everyone, this is Macy from the tech support team, and I want to show you today how you can attend a meeting. So this is the page that you see once you go to www.intherooms.com, and now you have to log in with your username or email and your password. And this is what I'm gonna do now. Click log in, and here we are on the home screen. So to attend the meeting, you first have to make sure that your time zone is in the correct zone. So you click on my account from the upper right corner of the screen, click here, and in this screen you go first on the personal tab here on the top, and here on the bottom it says what is your preferred time zone. You have to check and make sure that it's set to your local area, and you click save. Okay, then you go back to the main site. So you have two options here. You can either click on one of the live meetings that are coming up, or you can choose one from the video meeting schedule, which you can get to by clicking on video meetings here on the menu. Okay, today is Monday. So you see here are the fellowships all lined up, and all the meetings that are running today are here lined up with their times. And on the bottom you can see the upcoming meetings and meetings in session right now. So if there was a meeting in session right now, you would see it here. So we can just click on one of the upcoming meetings. I go to the NA meeting that is coming up in an hour, and this is an empty room because there is no meeting yet. You see the time is 7 p.m. and today the current time is 5:30, so we are early. There's already one person in here. Here on the bottom you see the audience. That is me. And another person is already in here, and this is how you can attend a meeting. So you're in the meeting room, and if the meeting was in progress, you would see the chairperson here or here on the main screen, and this is the people request to share box or the Brady Bunch box. All right.